Nope.
Let's kick some ice.
Brain freeze!
This is Chris from Munch, and welcome to Fast Food Fight. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them, and make them look and taste like retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine Pepsi that's been frozen and turned into a slush and put in a cup for $1. Seriously, who's going to complain of that for $1? It's summer, it's hot, and it's really tasty. Good fun to have all year round. While you're here, if you can find time to subscribe to this channel, we could greatly appreciate it. Everybody chew. Meanwhile, at my local place,
What do you want? Coke or Pepsi?
actually I prefer Coke.
You lady boy, you like coke?
Start by putting Pepsi inside a ice cube tray. Let it settle for a bit just to let the fizziness go away. And then chuck it in the freezer. When it's frozen, pull the cubes out and chuck them in the blender. Pulse on high till slushified. Oh yeah, put the lid on first though. Let's just get together and have a cool party. Put it in a cup and put a straw in. Ice to see you. This has been Chris from Munch, and I'll see you next Tuesday.